Welcome back, beautiful people. This is Dragon Knight here. Today I will be making ribeye steak, okay? And it's my specialty. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure our ribeye steak is at room temperature, okay? Because if it's not at room temperature, then obviously it's not going to cook evenly, okay? And if it doesn't cook evenly, then you're not going to have that perfect look when you cut your ribeye steak in the middle, okay? So this is to check if your steak is done rare, okay? This is medium rare, this is medium, and this is well done, okay? Now, another thing is if you want your steak to come out really cooked perfectly and be cooked evenly, then you're going to need to use an iron skillet, okay? Cast iron skillet. I am using a cast iron skillet right now, and it's already pre-seasoned. So obviously, you know, the more you use your cast iron skillet, the more flavor it's going to get, okay? So right now I'm going to season my ribeye steak, okay? I'm going to use this one, okay, because it has a lot of fat, and all that juicy fat is going to make it very delicious. Now first we're going to add 4 salt to our ribeye steak. Okay. Now with the ribeye steak, you cook it 4 ways, okay? You're gonna rotate it, kind of like spin it. Okay, that's how we're going to cook it today. And then we're going to add our pepper. So I don't have to worry about all the seasoning falling off, okay, because I am going to continue to add more flavor to it as it continues to cook. Okay, we're going to add oil on top of it. You drizzle oil on top of it, and then okay, so we're going to cook our ribeye steak, okay? Our skillet is already ready. We're not going to add a lot of salt, just a little bit, because our compound butter already has a lot of flavor. Now what I also did, I made compound butter here. This already has a lot of flavor, okay? And I'm going to add my compound butter maybe around 10 minutes after my ribeye steak has cooked. If you want to know how to make compound butter, I will leave the link down below under the comment section. I will be adding rosemary to my iron skillet so I can absorb those flavors. Now we'll be adding parsley. So I'm going to be adding my compound butter on top. I will be adding some cherry tomatoes. Right now I added the cherry tomatoes. I already washed them. Okay. Like in about 1 minute I will be flipping my ribeye steak. You don't want to flip your ribeye steak every second. You want to flip it only once, okay? You want the ribeye steak to cook evenly. Kind of coat it like this. So I am waiting 10 minutes before I can flip my ribeye steak. Okay, so now we're going to do we are going to put this there. Okay, so now we're just going to add some of that delicious seasoning, butter. Okay, so I'm going to do the taste test now. Perfectly evenly cooked. Okay, and I taste it. Wow. This is really delicious. Really, really delicious. So, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Perfectly cooked, evenly cooked, really delicious. So delicious. It's perfectly cooked, okay? And all that juice is so delicious. All this juice right here is so delicious.